What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle, and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Come on and join the fun. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title in the thumbnail, we are back with another Vlogmas day. Vlogmas day. Amir, get off my shoe. We're about to make some cookies.
What kind of cookies? Sugar cookies?
I don't know. We gotta ask Nina. We gotta ask my mom. Kids call my mom Nina, so that's Nina. In the comment section, say hey Nina. We're gonna switch it up today. Don't say hey T. Say hey Nina, N-I-N-A. And we're gonna use this to make the cookies.
Give mommy your shoe.
Amir, give me my shoe.
She put her shoe in the closet.
So this is what we're gonna do.
Nina, what kind of cookies are we making?
We're making them called Spritz cookies.
The sugar cookies. They're just sugar cookies, the flavor.
Yeah, but we're going to color them. We're going to make some all green, some all red, and decorate some.
This is exciting. My mom's always been that mom that baked homemade cookies, especially around the holiday time. We always made homemade cookies. And then when I started having my kids, I got lazy and I started just getting the break apart cookies. That's because they don't like to participate anyway.
His little kids, you know.
Give them behind me. I want to see you.
Everybody! Mommy's a meatball!
And what are you?
You smack!
Boy, get out of here. That is so nice of you, but it's nobody's birthday, boy. Turn the light on. Oh, my bad. Aunt protecting her nephew.
What's up, friend of me?
All right, you gotta extend your arm so they can see you. You gotta be still. Go ahead. Go ahead, talk to the people.
Hey, people! People!
No, the people on the YouTube. Hey, what's up, family?
What's up, family?
Who's up, kid?
Hey, Wawa! Wawa! Good creamer. Cheese! Hi, guys. Alright, guys. I'm not done. Okay, guys. I'll do that for you. Wawa, look.
What's it down there?
Excuse me. What's up?
Can I taste some? I got a spatula right over there, but.
It's a hand.
Yeah, it looks like your hand.
It's like slime.
All right, do some over there. Yeah, don't eat it, boo boo, but so cute.